Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
PSI Vivek Lankar and other cops attached with Penne Police Station have tendered unconditional apology to the High Court for arresting RG Chief Manoj Parab on 15th April 2020 in a valuable offence which was in violation of directives of Supreme Court in Arnesh Kumar case. Manoj Parab has filed contempt of court petition before the High Court, and during the hearing the High Court found that Manoj Parab was arrested at 12:35 in the midnight in the billable offence. The High Court has observed his arrest was not necessary. Though all the contender courts have tendered their unconditional apology and they have assured that they will not repeat such mistake again. Accepting the unconditional apology, the High Court has now closed the proceeding against those cops. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.